Okay, so I'm about to show you some of my favorite features of the new watchOS 10 software that Apple is bringing to the Apple Watch in the fall. But I got a little bit of an early sneak peek here because I do have the beta installed on my Apple Watch Ultra. So one thing I like is the reorganization of the functions of the buttons and stuff. So if I press on the side button now, it will bring up the control center and I can use the digital crown to scroll up and down. Or of course I can use my finger and then I can turn things on and off if I wanted to. And I hit the button so it rings my iPhone so I can find it if I lost it. But anyway, also to the app view or the grid view of your apps is different. So when I press in on the digital crown, now you'll see that it scrolls vertically, kind of like a panel or a wall of your different icons here for your apps. But before it's kind of basically one view and you actually have to kind of like scroll around and also zoom in and out. So I actually like the way this looks personally, but some people might like the old school way. Now also in watchOS 10, Apple is bringing widgets to the forefront, I will say, because now they have what they're called their smart stack, which you can already do in iOS, where you can stack widgets on top of each other, and then the software can automatically rotate through those widgets and find out which one is more relevant to what you're doing at any particular time throughout the day. So now you have that here on the Apple Watch here. So now basically I can scroll the digital crown upwards, and now you can see it shows me my different widgets that I have available. And so right now it's showing tips, but maybe I had like a flight that comes up in an hour or so. It will probably show me my ticket for that particular flight using the airline app that I have installed on my Apple Watch. But right now you can see I can scroll through, see weather, calendar, events and stuff, and then also I can go to all apps. So yeah, this will basically be rotating throughout the day. You can also just swipe up from the bottom of the screen as well to be able to access this smart stack. Now when you tap and hold, now you can remove or add widgets to this screen here. So I can add this one for the moon, and then also I can go down here and add one for music. And then also I can delete some of these if I didn't want it. So I can go ahead and delete the weather one. But for some reason I can't delete this one for tips. So I think that's just a bug here in the beta. But overall, yeah, you can manage the widgets that you want to show up, or just allow the system to do it automatically. And this is going to be cool for different things. So I'm assuming that maybe you're working out, it might go ahead and load up the music widget for you or the workout widget for you. And then also maybe if you're driving at a certain time every day, maybe going to work, it might, show you the maps and stuff like that. So this will basically just learn you throughout the day and just get better over time. Now there's also a couple of new watch faces that I actually haven't tried out yet. So I'm gonna do that for the first time with you. So let me press down and hold down on the screen, and then now let me swipe over to new, and it's telling me I have some new watch faces here. Let me go ahead and tap on that. And the first one is going to be palette, and this is going to be a watch face that will be changing the colors throughout the day as time goes on. So let's go ahead and get that set and tap on that one. And so you can see as the second hand goes around here, it's changing up the color. So this is a very cool watch face. I love the colorful watch faces on my Apple Watch. So, that's pretty dope when it goes into kind of sleep mode here. But let me go ahead and tap on the screen here to activate it again, and boom, that color comes back. So yeah, I'm liking this watch face. You have a couple of different places to add some complications if you wanted to customize all these different things here on the corner. So that looks nice. But now let's take a look at the other watch face, which is going to be coming from the folks over with Snoopy and Peanuts and all of that stuff here. So let me go ahead and add that to this, and I always mess this up. Anyway, boom. Ooh, look at that animation. That's dope. And that's dope. So I really don't use a lot of the Disney watch faces and stuff, but that one was pretty cool. Yeah, this is very animated. This is one of the best ones, one of the cartoony ones that I really like here on the Apple Watch. So I think this will actually, kind of relate to what you're doing throughout the day too. So I think if you are working out and it notices that you are maybe running in something, the characters will actually start working out or doing something active as well. So right now, I'm liking this one. Now, Apple is also redesigning some of their stock apps to take advantage of the screen more, to be able to show you more information at a glance here. Now with the weather app, they made it more like the iOS version. So the background will dynamically change throughout the day. So if it starts raining, you'll see some rain. Right now it's a little bit cloudy. The sun is peeking through, so that's what it represents. You can always tap on this button right here to be able to scroll through the different cities that you have saved within the app. So yeah, I think this app looks nice. And then also you can go back and take a look at the World Clock app, which is pretty nice because now if you're looking at a different location, it can show you the time change. And actually, let me go to another place here. Let me go to Los Angeles. So now as I'm scrolling through, it will show me what the time is in Los Angeles versus where I'm at right now. So that's pretty convenient, so you can know whether or not you should call someone in another country and wake them up or not. And a redesign to the Activities app shows some different shortcuts that you have here. So you have some quick actions to be able to do different things to navigate this. And I need to start working out today because I haven't really been getting anything done here. But yeah, you can see that you have some easier ways to navigate the app right here on the watch face. Now, on a little bit more of a serious note, Apple is making a change to their Mindfulness app. So basically, I can access it here just from the grid view, and now it gives me an option to log in my current state of mind. So this is going to be helping you keep track of your mental health throughout the day. So I have two options here, one for just how I feel right now and one for how I feel overall today. So I'm going to choose right now, and now I can use the digital crown to scroll through some of these different kind of feelings that I can have to describe my current state of mind. And I'm going to choose very pleasant. I'm feeling really good right now, and so I'm gonna hit that check mark, and now it will give me some other options to describe how I'm feeling right now. So I'm going to put calm, I'm going to put grateful, and also happy, and then now I can hit the check mark, and now it gives me another option to talk about what's having the biggest impact on me today. And I'm gonna say community for everyone out there watching this video. I really do thank you for supporting me over all these years, and now it will go ahead and log that. And so I also have it set up to give me a couple of reminders throughout the day to remind me to use this particular feature. And so any feature like this, I really do highly recommend, not just as a creator, but just in your personal life. Take care of yourself and also take care of your mental, and this is one good way that you can do that. So I like this feature. All right, so now something for my people who like to go hiking and just be outdoors like myself. And so this update is coming to the Compass app, where now the app will automatically create two different types of waypoints for you. Now, the first one will be a waypoint to lead you back to the last place where you had a connection to your particular cell carrier. And so if you do need to make a non-emergency phone call or just a text message to say happy birthday to someone, this is a good waypoint for you. But the second waypoint will be for emergency use cases. And the reason why this is important and it will be different from the last one is because when you are using the emergency capabilities of the Apple Watch, it doesn't matter what carrier that you are nearby, it will use any available carrier to be able to get that emergency message out. So that waypoint will take you to the one place where you can make a call to emergency services to make sure you can get some help. All right, so there are a couple of more features that I can't really demonstrate to you right now, but I do want to talk about. And the first one is going to be NameDrop. So this is coming to iOS for your iPhones, where you can just bring an iPhone close to another iPhone, and now you'll be able to kind of share your contact information, phone number, email, and stuff using that, so you don't have to like give the person your phone or to have them type it in or anything. Now, this is also coming to the Apple Watch, so you'll be able to bring an Apple Watch close to an iPhone as well. So that's going to be cool. And then good old FaceTime is getting an update on the Apple Watch. So FaceTime in general in the fall will be getting the ability to leave a video message for someone. So if they don't pick up your FaceTime call, you can leave a video message. So you'll be able to actually play back that video message on your Apple Watch as well. And then also group FaceTime is coming to Apple watchOS 10. So yeah, these are the main features that I'm really looking forward to in watchOS 10. Hopefully Apple has more surprises later on when they also hopefully introduce a new lineup of Apple Watches as well. But for right now, this is the beta of watchOS 10. Let me know what you think about it down below, and what is your favorite feature that you're looking forward to. But like always, I do want to thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you later. Peace.